Hi, I'm Gabi. In today's video, I'm gonna make banana cake. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place plain flour, cooking salt, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, mix and set aside. I'm gonna place a spread, castor sugar, light soft brown sugar, and beat until light and smooth. I'm gonna place eggs, pour vanilla essence, and beat to mix. place mashed bananas. Ground cinnamon, Greek yogurt, and mix. I'm gonna preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Incorporate the plain flour mix in very gently. It's normal the butter to have some lumps. They will disappear when it's cooked. The important thing is not to overmix. I'm gonna pour into a butter and flour cake tin. And cook for about 50 minutes. The recipe yielded 1 kilo 738 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of banana cake. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!